a whole property filtration system, right? If you don't have a whole property filtration system, no matter what even if you have the best compost that's alive, right? I get the best compost from my friends. They make it. But if the customer does not have a whole property filtration system, that water that they spray on a regular basis, the sprinkler system, is going to kill the biology. People say, well, why do you have to come every month and spray? Well, because every day or every week you're sprinkling water, city water, that kills the biology. See, so if you want to be sustainable, you have to learn how to stop the process of destroying your soil biology. That's what you have to do. See, otherwise you're not going to get anywhere. You will have problems.